What's up, everyone? It's me, Maya, and in today's video, we're going to be, this is Dandy's World, how to make Dandy's World Part 3. So, um, Audi, in the last episode, we made the codes button, and, we scripted the codes button. So, yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys what we're going to be doing. So, yeah, this is what we're doing. Dandy's World episode 3. We're going to be making custom tunes. We're going to animate the tunes if you didn't already, and we're going to be finishing the codes. So yeah, let's get into it. We're going to start. So let's start with the custom tunes. If you go to the toolbox and if you go to models, if you go to models and search up Dandy's World OC, you can see this, and it's a custom made Dandy's World template. This you can't animate it, so I'm going to delete that. After, I'm gonna bring it back, and I'm gonna get Dandy's World. I'm gonna get all of these. These are all the characters, and it's quite a lot. So yeah. But the one main person we're going to need for this is Toodles, and then we're gonna have to grab him, this guy. And now, so the torso. Wrist, and then in here, go to big L2. Um, third one is the bar. Looks like he has few times. I hate the head. Now let's see if y'all looks like he's maybe this can be. But I already have I already have my own characters made. Um, so yeah. I was seeing how to make custom characters there. I'm gonna go here, do that, that, that. There you go. Um, so I'm going to be. I have to show my files to grab it, and I don't want files. So I forget. I Alright guys, I have my character already. And I'm once you get done with your character, uh, put it in starter. Yes. Um. Sorry. Um. Uh. Animating the tunes. You guys animate it. I'm not going to animate just because of side reasons. Um. So. Pause the video right here. But if you already have your characters animated, don't pause it because right now we're getting to the codes. Yeah, we're getting to the codes. So the codes friend is right here. Um, here it is. We made it in an episode by accident. We're not supposed to, but whatever. It's whatever. Um, I already have mine made, so all I really have to do is that. Start UI, and there we go. This is my custom made one. I don't really think I like it actually. Mm. Well, one, it has barely any color, and two, just everything looks bad. After you make your codes frame, you're going to make it invisible. Start GUI. Add a text label. Name it decline the slime label. And type in invalid code. That what I'm duplicate that 2 times and then name this one success label. Actually duplicate it so there's 4. Name that one expired label. And this one we redeem label. So that one going to be invisible. This one, I'm gonna make it. Actually, no, that's the background color. The text color, I'm going to make it an orange for the expired. Now, I'm going to type in this one, green, Marcus orange. Hi guys, I'm back. I went to go get some things. And now that you have the code frame done, add another local script inside and name this one. Name it frames. Oh shoot. Local. Hold up. Let me. I guess my brother was being annoying, so I had to go tell my mom. Um, okay. Type in local uh, menu frame equals equals script dot parent dot menu frame local codes btn equals menu frame dot it is named codes btn and then local codes frame and then local success label equals script dot parent dot success label local decline label equals define label box equals script dot parent dot dot text box local expired label equals script dot parent dot expired label local beamed label equals script dot parent dot beamed label local wait a second. In the codes frame, we gotta put a text button. Make that visible. Uh, no. Less than. Um, now going back to the construct. Local and BTN. Local, we have the redeem label. We have the success, decline, expired, and redeemed. Local, oh yeah, Lowe's BTN equals script dot parent dot codes frame dot load BTN. It's a lot of things, but it's yes. Local, oh no, codes BTN dot mouse button in one connect function codes frame dot biz equals true. I'm gonna delete that real quick. Local codes equals that. And just make whatever code you want. I'm gonna do that. False, false, because we don't have them yet. And false. There we go. I'm actually gonna make one more. Least it's going to equal to true. And let me check this. Codes btn dot mouse button one click. Hold on. Then next function codes frame dot visible equals true. Codes run that. Okay, this is where we are going to make the codes actually like work. Not fully yet, but they're just gonna pop up labels. Enter btn dot mouse button one click. Hold on. Next function and local. Wait a second. Code equals text box dot. Wait, hold up. Wait a second. Nope. Equals code frame dot how it's code frame dot text box dot text if code code equals to true, then clicks label dot visible equals true. Else, wait, no, frame equals false. Else, if code equals false, then else if visible equals true. But no, not that. False than that. Wait, if it's code equals true, then the correct success dot visible equals true. Then the code equals false. Wait, no. But yes. Else if code equals false, then decline table. Hold up. And then waste 1.5 seconds. And then the success label that visible is going to become false. Then after that, equals false, then with 1.5 equals nil, then expired dot visible equals true with 1.5, and then that. Else if codes code equals. Wait, hold up. We need to make it so else if code equals already redeemed, then redeem label dot visible equals true. Then the redeemed label dot visible will become false after 1.5 seconds. All right, let's test it now. Close. Okay, that's good. Let's do try for. That's a code. Huh. Okay. Let's see. Text box not valid member of frame. Okay. This is here it is. Yes, it is. Code frame. Code frame. Text box. It's code frame. Local code. Text box is not a valid member of frame. Players.mode at player UI abstract UI code frame. Yes, it is. Hold up. Frame. Just yeah. Text box is not a valid member of frame. They're both the same thing. Like text. Alright, here we go. Let's test it now. He's doing errors. Visible. I spelled it wrong then. I spelled it wrong. Alright, let's go through and check the whole script. Visible. Okay. So equals already redeemed. And then wait 1.5 seconds. Nil there equals nil then. Okay. Like for code redeem success. Like for you have already redeemed this code. Alright guys, there we go. Yes, that works too. Okay, perfect. And in here you see we have no errors except the ones from this stupid 9. You have thousands of errors from there because it's from the official Lunch Crunch studio. And basically that they are taking the sounds and putting them inside there. Well, they are trying to. They're putting them inside there. So it's not really working. But yeah, guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you next time. And I'm about to record the next tutorial right after this. So bye guys, I hope you liked it. And yeah, bye.